Ready? And 5, 6, 7, back. 1, 2, 3, 4, and up. 2, 3, again, and back. And up. Last one, and back. 2, now stay here. Arms lang gagalaw. Stay with me. Arms 2, 3, 4, and down. Again, and lift. 2, 3, 4, and down. Stay down. Twist to the side. Twist 2, 3, 4, and center. Again, and twist. And center. And straight up. Stay here. Lean back more. Chin up. Arms up. 2, 3, 4, and down. Again, and lift. And down. And lift. Now let's stay here. Hold it here. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Do not let go. Return properly to the side. Center yung wall. Then raise your arms up. And rest. And up, and up. And down. 4, 2. And down. Good job. 3. And 4. Let go. Hold it up. 7, 6, 5. Let go. Okay. How are you? Okay, other side. Extend the right leg. Align your toes to your hips. Ready? And 5, 6. Raise it up. And 1. And down. Point your toes. Point your toes. 3. Yes. 4. Halfway there. 5. And 6. Last 2. 7. Stay up. Walang bibitaw. Hold it. 8. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Hold it for me, guys. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Okay. Let's have a stretch with a mermaid stretch. Let's stretch to the left. Stretch forward to the right side. Kaya kayo makapagsabi yung cell after or mag-matcha, right? So, down, mabagal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Left leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up. 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? To left. Both legs mabagal. 8 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.